Welcome, today in front of me Doogee S40 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go to the settings and now just find the display, tap on this section and you will see the wallpaper. Go here and you can change your wallpapers from the regular wallpapers and also from your photos on your phone. For example, I'll go with our camera photos and I'll choose this one. Now just tap to set wallpaper and we want to change the lock screen. So the wallpaper successfully changed and now we will check that. Yeah, that's right. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.